Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to find out the factors of the number 96. Now you will ask what are factors? So let's recollect. When we multiply two numbers, say 2 and 3, we get an answer and it's 6. So here the number 2 and the number 3 are factors of 6. 6 can have a lot of factors like 1 times 6 also gives us 6. So 1 and 6 are also the factors of 6. So here we can see that 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. No other numbers when multiplied gives us 6. So that means 6 has only these 4 factors. So similarly, now we are going to find out the factors of number 96. So let's start. We write the number 96 and we draw a line over here. Now, 1 is a factor of all numbers. So, 1 times the number itself, that is the number 96. These are the first two factors which we have found of the number 96. We go in a very systematic manner and we check with the number 2. Now, look at the number 96. It's an even number. All even numbers are divisible by 2. They have a factor of 2. Now, we have to find the other factor which paired with 2 gives us 96. So, we need to divide the number 96 by 2. Or, we can simply half the number 96. And when we half the number 96, we get 48. Now, going in a very systematic manner, let's check the number 3. Is the number 3 a factor of 96? Let's recollect our divisibility rule of the number 3. Any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is also divisible by 3. So, for the number 96, we have 9 plus 6 equals 15 and 15 is a multiple of 3. So, therefore, the number 96 is also a multiple of 3. But what is the other number paired with 3 which gives us 96? That is, the question now is what number is multiplied by 3 to give 96? So, how to figure it out? We will simply divide 96 by 3. So you can do it orally also, or you can do long division the way I am doing. So we get 0 remainder, and that was going to be because 3 is a factor of 96 and the quotient is 32. So that means the other number is 32. 3 times 32 gives us 96. Now the next number is 4. Let me give you a trick to find out the other factor which multiplied by 4 gives us 96. We can simply, look at the number 2 over here. We have doubled it. So, we are going to halve this number 48 to get the other number. So, the other factor is 24 over here. Now, the next number is 5. So, recollect the divisibility rule of 5. Any number having, this is the tens place and ones place. Any number having 0 or 5 at its ones place is divisible by 5. But 96 has the number 6. So, 5 is not a factor. So, we are going to skip the number 5 and move on to the next number, that is 6. Again, here I am going to give you a trick. You are doubling the number 3, so you have to halve the number 32. So, the other number is 16. Let's move on to the next number, which is 7. Now, let's look at the multiples of 7. I will start from 70 because I have to go to 96. So next is 77, and then we have 84. Then we have 84 plus 7. We have 91, and then we have 98. So 96 is not a multiple of 7. That means 7 is not a factor of 96. So we remove the number 7. Now let's look at the number 8. You see 4 and 24, they are both even. So now if I double the number 4, I get 8. So I have to halve the number 24. So to get the other factor pair. So it's going to be 12. So 12 times 8 is 96. You can check it also. Yes. The next number is 9. Now, I am again going to look at the multiples of the number 9. So, let's look at the multiples. I start with 90 and the next is 99. That means 96 is not a multiple of 9 and 9 is not a factor of 96. Let's move on to the next number, that is the number 10. Let's recollect the divisibility rule of number 10. Any numbers having 0 at the ones place is divisible by 10. But the number 96 has 6 at its ones place. So, it is not divisible by 10. 11. 11. You have seen the multiples of 11. How do they look like? Just look at the multiples. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. See, both the digits are same, but in the number 96, if it is a 2-digit number, so both the digits are same. And 96 is a 2-digit number, but ones place is having 6 and the tens place is having number 9. So 11 is not a factor. So next number is 12. But look at the numbers. We have already got the number 12 over here. So that means we have found all our factors. And the factors of the number 96 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96. I hope it made you clear the concept and you enjoyed watching the video. Goodbye.